Thank you for joining me on Seyyah Ressam, your front row seat to the latest in hardware and software breakthroughs. In just a moment, we'll see whether this newcomer can outperform its seasoned rivals. Unboxing and first impressions. Pulling the Baseus PicoGo 45W 10,000 mAh power bank out of its sleek gold and white box immediately signals a departure from bulky, cable-laden chargers. Inside, you'll find only the essentials: the PicoGo unit itself and a concise user guide. At just 8.8 cm x 6 cm x 2.6 cm and weighing 202 grams, the PicoGo feels more like a credit card-sized accessory than a typical power bank. Whether you slip it into a jeans pocket or toss it into a backpack, you'll appreciate how little space it occupies. Streamlined, robust design. Baseus has opted for a minimalist aesthetic, wrapping the PicoGo in smooth white plastic with gently rounded corners. The housing resists fingerprints and wipes clean easily, while the integrated flat USB-C cable tucks flush into the side. When not in use and doubles as a carry loop, a small power button on the side awakens a bright LED display on the front that shows battery percentage in real time. No more guessing how many bars remain. Port selection and integrated cable. On one side of the PicoGo you'll find 3 ways to connect. A built-in USB-C cable up to 45W output. A USB-C port input-output, up to 45W PD. A USB-A port up to 22.5W QCS-CPAFC. This configuration lets you power up to 3 devices simultaneously. Plug one gadget into the built-in cable, another into the USB-C port, and a third into the USB-A slot. The handy onboard cable ensures you never forget your lead, while the extra ports accommodate any standard charging cord. High-speed charging performance. For a device of its size, the PicoGo packs a surprising punch. Both the built-in cable and the USB-C port support USB Power Delivery 3.0, delivering up to 45W, which is enough to fast-charge laptops like the MacBook Air, tablets, such as the iPad Pro, and flagship smartphones. The USB-A port leverages Quick Charge 3.0, Huawei SCP, and Samsung AFC to output up to 22.5W for older devices or accessories that don't support PD. On the input side, the USB-C port can accept up to 30W of power, meaning the PicoGo can refill itself from 0 to full in roughly 1.5 to 2 hours. When paired with a 30W or higher PD wall charger, that rapid turnaround ensures minimal downtime between outings. Real-world testing. In our tests, charging a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra via the built-in cable took the device from 0% to 60% in about 30 minutes. Impressively quick for a compact power bank. Meanwhile, recharging the PicoGo itself required just over an hour and a half, making it easier to prepare for the next day. Adventures without leaving the unit tethered overnight. Safety and durability. Under the hood, the PicoGo uses a lithium polymer battery chemistry, known for its energy density and stability. Baseus has integrated a comprehensive protection suite: overcurrent, overvoltage, overtemperature, short-circuit prevention, and thermal controls using graphene, insulating foam, and aluminum foil. The retractable cable endured more than 10,000 pull and tuck cycles during durability testing without loosening or fraying, underscoring the build quality. Everyday convenience. Whether you're racing to a back-to-back class schedule, wandering through an airport, or documenting a city tour, the PicoGo diminutive footprint and integrated cable simplify your routine. No more rummaging for a USB-C lead, no more tangled mess in your bag. Just grab the PicoGo and plug in. Price and value. At approximately $28, the Baseus PicoGo 45W power bank offers exceptional value. Comparable 45W units without built-in cables often cost 50% more. Here, you get a premium feature set, integrated cable, tri-port output, rapid recharge, and real-time battery display, for less than $30. Conclusion: for anyone who demands a truly portable, high-output charging solution, the Baseus PicoGo 45W 10,000 mAh power bank is hard to beat. Its compact design, integrated USB-C cable, vivid LED percentage readout, and genuine 45W performance combine to deliver a worry-free power companion. At roughly $28 USD, it represents one of the most compelling power bank bargains on the market. If you're hunting for a reliable, versatile, and convenient way to keep your devices alive on the move, the PicoGo should be at the top of your list.